morning on this rather wet Thursday morning. These are my last two valets of the year. This one here I will get started with. This is a lovely Yamaha MT07 Tracer, one of my favorites. This gentleman has just recently purchased this, but he wants to ride it throughout the winter, so he wants to make sure it is properly protected. You can already see a bit of corrosion setting in, so we're going to do a full Monty special on this, including the Ultimaxx ceramic. See all the corrosion on these banjo bolts, rust already. So we'll get this all cleaned up, touch up a few rusty bits and pieces, rust, and then we'll get it covered in XCP just so it's properly protected for the winter ahead. See those disc bolts? They always go rusty on these. Lovely bikes, but the finish, if they're not properly protected, they do corrode. We'll get that collector box there all polished up. It's got plenty of chain lube on it, and it's everywhere else. So we'll get all this old chain lube off, get it all re-lubed back up once it's finished. Once I've washed it and blow dried it and got the XCP on it, we'll then get it into the studio. I'll do a machine polish on the bodywork, windscreen, and then we're going to treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. So yeah, let's get started. Give us a couple hours. There you go, 2.5 hours on the dot. This Yamaha MT07 Tracer has been trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my goodness, what a transformation on this old girl. This has had a full Monty valet with our half price Ultimaxx ceramic edition. So this had a full degrease, Snowfoam safe wash, decontaminated. All your calipers, discs have all been scrubbed. All the rust that was on these discs has been removed. Took the belly pan off there. Exhaust has been mirror polished, as you can see. Everything's been degreased. All that old chain lube, all that gunky stuff had been removed. Everything was blow dried afterwards, making sure to remove any moisture from the switch gears, etc. We then got it in the studio here. I did some painting. Side stand was painted. All your rusty banjo bolts and bits and pieces, I put a bit of paint on those before I put the XCP. We lightly sanded down these coolant pipes because they were all corroded. They've been painted with a bit of gloss back. We then put some heat on it just to make sure it all dried properly. All your rusty little brackets and everything has all been painted back there. We then misted it with XCP. As this is going to be ridden over the winter, this has had an extra large coating of XCP all up underneath, all your suspension linkages, all up underneath your frame, all behind your forks, all your head races. Everything has had a nice coating of the XCP corrosion protection. We use the XCP clear coat on all that, and then we use the XCP orange on all your fixings, all your banjo bolts, and everything has had a nice little brushing. All this we then got down to polishing. I mirror polished up the front of those exhausts. All your end can has been mirror polished. All your collector box there that was all rusty has all been mirror polished up, literally like brand new. I then did a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, removed the windscreen, polished that. I then prepped it and treated it to a nice coating of the Ultimaxx Signature Quartz, which is a 5-year self-healing ceramic. So now it's fully protected. Oh, I mirror polished up the levers, mirror polished up the footrest ends. Yeah, not much I haven't done on this. Absolutely gleaming. Client is over the moon. Another satisfied customer. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. We're going to continue this half price ceramic addition to every full Monty valet, probably for the month of January, as it's been such a big hit. So yeah, give us a call. I'm going to be closed now until January 5th. So give us a buzz the new year, get your bike in, get it trotted, get it protected, keep it looking like this. I mean, this is a 2017 model and looks like it has just rolled out of the showroom. That's me done for the year. Merry Christmas to all my clients, new and old. and we'll see you in 2023.